All right, this video is all about the post navigation. This is a fun, simple way to create like a online course using WordPress posts. Okay, so I've created this course. We call it the DreamHost Launch Guide. It's just a step-by-step for launching a WordPress site on DreamHost. So we've got 6 steps, and these are basically 6 different posts. And you click into this and you can navigate between each of these posts. So you just click next, and the key here is that I wanted to automatically show the right navigation for this post, and instead of like hard coding in the navigation to the next post, it's just too much of a hassle because we're going to be doing a lot of courses, so we need them to all easily link together in an automated way. Okay, so the trick to doing this is the post navigation function, and it takes a number of arguments, and the ones we're going to be worried about are these previous and next text. So you can type in, so here I've got my single.php file open, and this is of course the page that will render our single blog posts pages. So I dropped in the post navigation, and then you just fill out these arguments. And so the previous and next text, I want them to say next and back instead of older posts, newer posts. And then the trick to being able to have navigation between posts that are of the same taxonomy is going to be using this in same term and then defining the taxonomy. So I added a tag to each of these posts, each of these 6 posts here, so they're all using the same tag. I just added a tag called DreamHost to each one of these. So you'd want to go in each post, tag it, and let me show you real quick. So if we go on over to our posts, and then I'm going to filter these by category. And the category I want is this DreamHost Launch Guide. And I mean, you know how to add a tag, but just in case, you can do a quick edit and just drop in your tag. And so you'll want the tagging to be the same for each of these posts. So DreamHost for that. I've added DreamHost to each of these posts. Okay, so let's come back on over here. And looking at the documentation, so you want to add this in same term, and it determines whether or not it should be in the same taxonomy. If you don't add this, it's not going to work. So I want it to have the taxonomy to be the post tag, but you could use a different taxonomy like the category. And then I want to use in same term. Now keep in mind, this is going to apply then to all posts using this single.php file, but for my sake, that is what I want to happen. So it works. So it's a super simple way to link these posts together in a way that your users can just navigate between each step of your course if you want to use posts as a online course and have them just chain together in some way. Thank you.